Hey everyone, welcome back to another day in the studio. I'm Angie B, and today we're back in the studio working on the Angelique Collection Fall Drop. Y'all know I'm gonna let y'all know, okay? I just want you to follow along with me so you can see that I am a real person. And I'm gonna tell you why I said that. Okay, so let me tell you what I have to do today. I have to cut some more fabric. I have to finish up a bag and a few more ideas that I want to bring to life. So while I'm working, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind. Have you noticed all of those videos online lately? You know the ones. They say, don't skip this video. My daughter made these by hand, but everyone laughed at her. And the other one that says, my son has no customers. Please support his small business. The story sounds so real that you want to help, but then you find out that the person wasn't real, the voice wasn't real, and sometimes even the products weren't real. It was all created with AI. Now, let me say this, I don't have a problem with AI itself. I think it's a useful tool when people are honest about how they're using it. What I do not like and what I have a problem with is when people create fake stories and fake people to get your attention or your money. That's different. One thing you'll never have to worry about here is whether I'm real. Okay? Real or Memorex, right? The studio is real. The mess behind me is real, baby. The fabric all over the table is real. The stuff all over the table is real. The paint, the sewing machine, the leather, the scraps on the floor, they're all part of my creative process. Sometimes people think creativity looks like a perfectly clean studio. Mine doesn't, okay? When I'm creating, things are everywhere because ideas don't happen in perfect little boxes. At least mine doesn't, okay? So every handbag I make starts with an idea, then a sketch, then fabric, then sewing, then changing my mind, then sewing it again until I finally say, okay, that's it. So that's why you find me, I make my own custom patterns and everything because when I find what I want and I have it what I want, and I'm not really that great sketcher either, the person who can sketch out that idea and have it work for them, really, I'm not. I have it in my mind, and so I can actually bring it out of my mind and I can put it on pattern. Okay? Does that make sense? I hope it does. Okay. That's the part I love sharing with you. You're not just seeing the finished handbag, you're seeing the journey. You're seeing the mistakes, you're seeing the changes, you're seeing what it really takes to build something with your own hands. As we get closer to my fall drop, y'all, which I'm so excited about, I hope you'll remember that every piece you see have been created right here in the studio, okay? Not by a computer, not by a fake story, but by a real designer who still believes that handmade creativity matters. If you're supporting Angelique Collections, you're supporting real craftsmanship, original designs, and someone who generally loves creating one of a kind wearable art. So thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting real artists, real makers, and real small businesses. That's so important to the economy. All right? And it's important to the small businesses, the makers, and the artists. Okay? Now, enough talking. Let me get back to this handbag because guess what? I still have a lot of work to do before this fall collection launches. So I'll see you in the next Another Day in the Studio. Hey, before I forget, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and please go ahead and share it with someone you know who love that one of a kind accessory because who wants to see her bag on the arm of every woman, or who wants to see those pair of earrings everywhere or that necklace everywhere, those accessories everywhere? I know there's some girlies out there that like that one of a kind. So don't forget, subscribe, comment, and share. And like I said, if you want to, turn the notification bell on so you'll know when I drop another episode. All right. Talk to you soon.